Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
A digital SIM stores your carrier profile securely on your phone instead of a plastic card. The feature is sometimes called eSIM or embedded SIM in phone settings and carrier plans. You can activate a new line by scanning a QR code or entering an activation code. Digital SIMs support multiple profiles, so you can keep personal and work numbers separately. Switching between profiles happens in settings and takes seconds without removing any hardware. Before you switch, back up contacts and confirm your carrier supports digital SIM for your model. Check that your phone model supports digital SIM and that your carrier offers it as an option. Obtain a QR activation code from your carrier or get a numeric activation code by email. Open Settings, go to Cellular or Mobile Data, and choose Add Cellular Plan to begin. Scan the QR code with your camera or enter the activation code manually when prompted. Assign the profile as primary or secondary and label it personal or work for clarity. Verify connection by testing calls, text, and mobile data before deleting any old physical SIM. If activation fails, restart your phone and retry the QR scan after a short wait. Ensure airplane mode is off and that your device has the latest system update installed. Contact the carrier and provide the activation code, phone IMEI, and a clear description. Use a physical SIM temporarily if you need immediate service during carrier setup delays. Keep one active profile as primary for emergency services and location accuracy. When traveling, add a local digital SIM profile to save roaming charges and data costs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.